Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking steamed enoki mushroom in spicy sauce. So let's start cooking. We'll now mix the ingredients for the spicy sauce. We'll need half a tablespoon of 香辣酱 or spicy fragrant sauce, half a tablespoon of spicy broad bean paste. Put it in. This is how the 香辣酱 looks like. There are many brands available, but this is the one that we use often. And of course, the spicy broad bean paste. We will also add in 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan peppercorn, which I've dry roasted and smashed them into powder form like this. And also, to balance up the taste, we'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. This is a very easy dish to cook because you can actually cook this while steaming your rice. Once this is done, we'll spread them onto our enoki mushroom. I have with me over here 300 grams of enoki mushroom. So just spread the sauce a little bit around like this. You do not have to add in any water because while you are steaming your enoki mushroom, water droplet will form and it will create a sauce. Spread all over the enoki mushroom and we'll go and steam our enoki mushroom in our rice cooker now. Depending on how cooked you want your enoki mushroom to be, you can steam them between 3 to 6 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. The enoki mushroom should be done already. Let's have a look. This should be cooked already, yes. They are very soft now. So before eating, we just need to mix this up and we'll have a beautiful dish. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I'll just mix it up a little bit. This looks so delicious. It's a very easy dish to make. Anybody can make this at home. You can make this while you're steaming your rice. Very, very easy. And now let's just have a taste. Oh, it smells really good. A little spicy with a little numbness. This is exactly what I want. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.